ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Yes, continuation to the last class. In the human blood group, next continuation topic is inheritance of blood groups. Inheritance of the blood groups means how the blood groups are gets inherited into the next generation from the parents. How the blood groups are gets inherited into the next generation from the parents is nothing but inheritance of blood group. So as per Bernstein, in humans on ninth chromosome, ninth pair of chromosomes, on ninth pair of chromosomes, definitely a gene is present with 3 multiple allele. As per the Bernstein, on ninth pair of the chromosome, a gene is present with 3 multiple allele. That gene is responsible for the inheritance of the blood groups into the offspring. So as per him, what is that gene means? That is the I gene. This I gene is with 3 multiple alleles. One is the IA, second IB, third one is the IOR small I. So as per him, on the ninth pair of the chromosome, any two of these 3 allele, out of these 3 allele, any two of alleles are occurs on the ninth pair of the chromosomes. They may be inherited into the daughters from the both parent. Finally, that leads to the development of the blood group in the offspring. So, for example, just assume if homozygous A blood grouped person married with heterozygous B blood grouped woman, then what kind of blood groups are appeared? Then what kind of the blood groups are appeared in their progeny? If the question is given like this, if homozygous A blood grouped person married with the heterozygous B blood grouped woman, then what kind of the blood groups are appeared in their progeny? What is the chance? What kind of the blood groups maybe gets appeared in their progeny? What is the chance? That is the question. So in this particular case, at first homozygous A blood grouped person means definitely in father so on the ninth pair, just assume this is the ninth A, this is the ninth B. On ninth A, IA allele, on ninth B also IA allele have to be present. Because here in the question, homozygous A blood group. Homozygous means on both ninth pair of the chromosomes, IA, if it is present, then we can say that is the homozygous A blood group. Instead of that, here in the question, heterozygous if they mentioned, then we have to take it as IAIO. Because as we are discussing in the last class, IAIO, both of them are responsible to form the A blood group. Both of them are responsible to form the A blood group. Because this is the homozygous genotype, this is the heterozygous genotype. This is the homozygous genotype, this is the heterozygous genotype. In the heterozygous genotype also, IA shows the dominant effect over the IO. By that way, on the surface of the RBC membrane, definitely antigen A is finally formed that leads to the A blood group in the child. Similarly, IBIO, these two genotypes are responsible to form the B blood group. Because IB allele is responsible to get form the antigen B on the surface membrane of RBC that leads to the B blood group formation. This is the homozygous B blood group, homozygous genotype. This is the heterozygous genotype. Means definitely on the ninth pair of the chromosome, IB if it is present, that is the homozygous. IBIO if it is present, that is the heterozygous. Similarly, IB leads to AB blood group. This is the heterozygous genotype. Always AB blood group gets formed with heterozygous genotype only. Next to IO, that is the O blood group that leads to O blood group. Means IO is recessive allele. That is not able to synthesize either antigen A or antigen B. So that only definitely O blood group gets formed finally. Then how this kind of the genotypes gets inherited into the offsprings? How that kind of the genotypes maybe gets inherited into the children's? When we observe that, definitely in the question they may be given as homozygous A blood grouped person. Means on father, ninth pair of the chromosomes, IA if it is present, then we can say that is the homozygous A blood group. Definitely if he gets married with heterozygous B blood grouped woman, heterozygous means in the mother also on ninth pair of the chromosome, 9th A, 9th B are the ninth pair of the chromosome. On 9th A IB, on ninth B IO if it is present, that is the heterozygous IAIO. Sorry, IBIO. IBIO is heterozygous genotype in which IB shows the dominant effect over the IO. Finally, that leads to the B blood group formation. Definitely in this case, in the question, heterozygous B blood grouped woman. Heterozygous B blood grouped woman, nothing but if on the ninth pair of chromosome on 9th A IB on 9th B IO is present, then we can say that is the heterozygous B blood group. If both of them are gets married, then what kind of the blood groups are maybe chanced to appear in their progeny? And so definitely during the formation of this sperm cell, if this 9th A chromosome is inserted into one sperm cell, if 9th A is inserted into one sperm cell, then what is the allele which is inserted? IA. Definitely during the formation of these sperm cells, this chromosome is inserted into one sperm cell, this chromosome is inserted into another sperm cell. If 9th A chromosome is inserted into one sperm cell, definitely along with the 9th A, IA is gets inserted. Otherwise, if this 9th B is inserted into another sperm cell, along with the 9th B, IA is inserted into another sperm cell. Similarly, from the mother during the formation of the ovum, if this 9th A is inserted into one ovum, then along with the 9th A, IB is gets inserted into this ovum. If this 9th B is inserted into another ovum, along with the 9th B, IO is inserted into one ovum. So definitely during the fertilization, if this IA sperm cell is fused with this ovum, if these two are fused, then into the zygote of the child, what kind of the alleles are gets inherited? From the sperm cell IA, from the ovum IB, means into the zygote IA, IB are inherited. From the father sperm cell, IA alleles gets inherited onto the one of the ninth chromosome. Definitely from the mother, IB gets inherited into the zygote. In the presence of IA, IB, whatever this zygote which will be developed into young one, in this young one, what would be the blood group which may be finally formed? IA is responsible to produce the antigen A on surface of RBC. IB is responsible to produce the antigen B on the surface of RBC. Finally, that leads to AB blood group formation. Definitely, if this sperm cell is fused with this ovum, definitely into the zygote, IA, IB are inherited. IA, IB are inherited. Then IA, IB genotype if it is appears in the zygote. IA, IB if it is appears in the zygote, then what would be the blood group of that child in the further means? AB blood group. So this zygote will be later gets developed into young one. In that young one, what would be the blood group means? That is AB. Because IA is responsible to produce the antigen A on the surface membrane of the RBC. IB allele is responsible to produce the antigen B on the surface membrane of RBC. By that way, finally, AB blood group is gets produced here. Here, one more important point what I am saying you. Here one more important point I want to clarify you, that out of these three alleles, three may not be appears in the single person on the ninth pair of chromosome. Any of two out of three are present on the ninth pair of the chromosome. Definitely here only two, that may be IAIA or IAIO or IAIB, whatever it may be. Any two are occurs but not three. Similarly, if this sperm cell is not fused with this one, otherwise if this sperm cell is fused with this one, instead of that, if this sperm cell is fused with this one, instead of with IO ovum, IB ovum, if this sperm cell, if it is fused with IB ovum, then AB blood group is gets formed in the child. Otherwise, if the IA sperm cell is fused with IO ovum, then into the zygote what are the alleles which are inherited? IA, IO. So from the father sperm cell IA, from the mother ovum IO are gets inherited. So if in the zygote IA, IO genotype is present, then furtherly in the child, whatever the child who may be developed from this kind of the zygote, in his body what would be the blood group which is gets developed furtherly means A blood group, because here IA shows the dominant over the IO. IA is dominant over the IO, so that only antigen A is gets formed on the surface membrane of RBC of that child. So finally that leads to the A blood group formation. Definitely that leads to A blood group formation. IA, IO, that is nothing but A blood group. Otherwise, if these two are gets fused, if these two are gets fused, if IA sperm cell is fused with IB ovum, then into zygote again IA, IB are inherited. That leads to AB blood group. Otherwise, if this IA sperm cell is gets fused with IO, again IA, IO, that leads to A blood group. So definitely if the IA sperm cell is fused with IB, then into the zygote IA, IB alleles are inherited. Definitely that leads to AB blood group formation. Otherwise, if the IA sperm cell is fused with IO, that leads to IA, IO, that leads to the A blood group formation. So in that way, if homozygous A blood grouped person married with a heterozygous B blood grouped woman, then in their progeny, what kind of the blood groups are very commonly appear? Either AB or A. This is AB, this is A, this is AB, this is the A. Means what kind of the blood groups are very commonly appear? AB or A. These two blood groups may be appeared in their progeny very commonly. So in that way, if the homozygous A blood grouped person married with the heterozygous B blood grouped woman, then what kind of the blood groups are appeared in their progeny means either AB or A. Similarly, another question. If AB blood grouped person, married with AB blood grouped person married with heterozygous B blood grouped woman, B blood grouped woman, then what is the percentage of offsprings produced with A blood group? If AB blood grouped person married with heterozygous B blood grouped woman, then what is the percentage of offsprings, means children, produced with A blood group is the question. So in this particular case, at first we have to prepare genotype. In any type of the blood group related question, at first we have to prepare the genotypes. So in this particular case, just assume AB blood grouped person means IA, IB. At first we have to derive genotype. Simply we can say, whenever there is a chance to appear the AB blood group, whenever on 9th A IA, on 9th B IB allele is present, then only it is possible to form the AB blood group in that particular person. On 9th A IA, on 9th B IB, if it is present as the allele, that may be leads to formation of AB blood group. So at first in this particular case we have to derive genotype. So AB blood group nothing but IA, IB. Next, heterozygous B blood group. What is the genotype of heterozygous B blood group? IBIO is heterozygous genotype of B blood group. Heterozygous B blood group, that is nothing but IBIO. Homozygous B blood group genotype is IBIB. Homozygous A blood group genotype is IAIA. Heterozygous A blood group genotype is IAIO. IB is always with heterozygous condition only. Sorry, AB blood group is always heterozygous condition with only. IAIB, O blood group is always with only homozygous condition, that is the IOIO. So definitely in this case, heterozygous B blood group genotype is IBIO. That is the heterozygous, that is the genotype of heterozygous B blood group. That means what? IB is present on the 9th A chromosome, IO is present on the 9th B chromosome. On the 9th pair of the chromosome, this is present on 9th A, this is present on the 9th B. Similarly, the AB blood group person, this is present on the 9th A, this is present on the 9th B. This is the genotype of AB blood group person. This is the genotype of heterozygous B blood group woman. So definitely during the formation of this sperm cell from the father, just assume this is the father genotype, this is the mother genotype. What is the father genotype? IAIB is a father genotype. What is the mother genotype? IBIO, because in the question already they given as heterozygous B blood group. So IBIO. During the formation of the sperm cell from the father, IA form one sperm cell. Definitely IA form one sperm cell. Means IA is inherited into one sperm cell. IB form another sperm cell. During the formation of the ovum, IB form the one ovum, IO form the another ovum from the mother. So if this IA sperm cell is fertilized with IB ovum, IA sperm cell if it is fertilized with IB ovum, then into the zygote what are the alleles which are inherited onto the 9th chromosome? Definitely IA, IB. So IA, IB alleles are inherited into the zygote. If this zygote will be developed into young one, what would be the blood group of that kind of the child? Means AB. That is the AB blood group. Because IA allele is responsible to form the antigen A on the surface membrane of the RBC. IB allele is responsible to get form the antigen B on the surface membrane of RBC. Finally, AB blood group gets formed here. Otherwise, if this IA allele is fused with IO ovum, IA allele containing sperm cell, if it is fused with IO allele containing ovum, then into the zygote, IA, IO alleles are gets inherited into the zygote. Definitely, if this zygote will be developed into young one, then what would be the blood group in that particular child? Means IA always shows dominant effect over the IO. By that way, this IA is involved in the formation of the antigen A on the surface membrane of the RBC. By that way, finally, A blood group gets formed here. This is the A blood group. This is the AB blood group. This is the A blood group. Otherwise, if the IB is fused with IB sperm cell, if it is fused with IB allele containing ovum, then into the zygote, IB alleles are gets inherited. With this IB allele, what would be the blood group which will be developed in the offspring? Means B blood group. That is the B blood group. Otherwise, if the IB containing sperm cell, if it is fused with IO, if this IB sperm cell, if it is fused with IO, definitely IB, IO. So definitely, in this case, IB is dominant over the IO. So that only IB is involved in the formation of the antigen B on the surface membrane of the RBC. Finally, B blood group gets decides in the offspring. So that leads to formation of B blood group. Definitely in this kind of the child who may be developed from this kind of the zygote, B blood group appear. Here also B blood group appears. Here A blood group appears. Here AB blood group appears. AB blood group appears. But our question is that, then what is the percentage of offsprings produced with A blood group? Out of 4 children, how many children are with the A blood group? Only 1 children. Out of 4, only 1 children is with the A blood group. Another children is with the A blood group. Rest of the 2 are with the B blood group. So that percent means 25%. 25% of the offspring are with the A blood group. 25% of the children are with the AB blood group. 50%. 50% of the children are with the B blood group. In that way, if the AB blood grouped person married with the heterozygous B blood grouped woman, then what is the percentage of the offspring produced with the A blood group? Nothing but 25%. Similarly, another question. Similarly, another question. If if heterozygous AB blood grouped person, heterozygous AB blood grouped person married with O blood grouped person, O blood grouped person, O blood grouped person, then what is the percentage of offsprings with AB blood group is the question. Definitely similar question. If heterozygous AB blood grouped person married with O blood grouped person, then what is the percentage of offsprings with the AB blood group is the question. So definitely here at first we have to derive genotype of father, next to genotype of mother. Definitely the question, what is the father blood group? AB blood group. Definitely always AB blood group is with the heterozygous condition. So that only IA, IB. What is the mother condition? O blood group. Definitely always homozygous. That is the IO. So during the formation of this sperm cell, IA form the one sperm cell, IB form the another sperm cell. Definitely IA alleles gets inherited into one sperm cell, IB allele is inherited into another sperm cell. Means if it is present on the 9th A, along with the 9th A, that is inherited into one sperm cell. If it is present on the 9th B, along with the 9th B, that is inherited into another sperm cell. Similarly, during the formation of the ovum, IO form one ovum, this IO allele form the another ovum. During the fertilization, if this IA is fused with this one, you should remember, during the crossing, it have to be crossed with these two. Later we have to cross it with this also with these two. First of all, we have to cross this with these two. Secondly, we have to cross this with these two also to produce the 4 offsprings. So if this IA is fertilized with the IO ovum, then into zygote IO is inherited. Definitely in the heterozygous condition, IA is always dominant over the IO. So that only this IA is responsible to form the antigen A on the surface membrane of the RBC. By that way, in newly produced child from the zygote must be with the A blood group. Definitely in the offspring or the young one who may be produced from this zygote, he must be with the A blood group. Definitely he is with the A blood group. Similarly, if this IA is fused with this IO, then IO here also from the zygote the child who maybe gets delivered is with A blood group. Otherwise, if this IB sperm cell is fused with IO, if this IO sperm cell is fused with IO, then IB, IO alleles are inverted into the zygote. Then if IB, IO is present on the 9th pair of the chromosome in the child, IB shows the dominant effect over the IO. By that way, IB allele induces the formation of the antigen P on the surface of the RBC membrane. Finally, that leads to the B blood group. This is the B blood group. Otherwise, if the IB is fused with this IO, in this case also same, that is the IB, IO. So definitely in this case also, IB, IO if it is present in the zygote, IB, IO is present in the zygote, IB shows the dominant effect over the IO. By that way, antigen B is formed on the surface membrane of the RBC. By that way, from the zygote, the child who may be developed, he is with the B blood group. Here also with the B blood group. So our question is that, what is the percentage of the offsprings with the AB blood group? No one child is with the AB blood group due to this marriage. No one child is with the AB blood group with this marriage. 50% of the offsprings are with the A blood group. Remaining 50% of the offsprings are with the B blood group. No one child is with the AB blood group. So that answer is 0%. So definitely no one child among the 4 children, no one child is with the AB blood group by this marriage. So that only AB blood group offsprings percentage is 0%. This is the inheritance of the blood group. Next continuation, blood group typing or assertion of blood group.